Meals with Marcia. Today I want to share a recipe with you, and it is called Watergate Salad. I'm excited to show you this, so let's get started. This is a very easy recipe to do. I think you could do it year-round. It would be a good summer recipe, winter recipe, fall recipe, any time you want to do it. Spring, it's just a versatile one. This is so easy, and it's fun to take to like family get-togethers, potlucks, and like this will be great on your Thanksgiving table as a dessert, and also on your Christmas table. So anyway, the first thing you need is a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple with the juice. I'm going to put that in there, and you just get whatever kind works for you. That was what was on sale. And then you need some Jell-O brand pistachio pudding. It's instant pudding. Make sure it's instant. And it is a 3.4 ounce box. Ooh, those pineapples smell good. I'm going to tear this open and put it in. All right, and then you're just going to stir that together until it's good and combined. I love the color green. This would be a good Christmas one because of the green. You could, if you were doing a Grinch theme, this would be perfect. The color of this is perfect for Grinch. But just stir it up really good until it's the pudding is dissolved and mixed well in with the pineapples. Like I said, those pineapples smell so good. And that's what she's looking like. All right. And then you will want to fold in an 8-ounce tub of whipped topping. And I have put this in the refrigerator so it will be soft and thawed out. Okay, that's important because if it's frozen, it ain't gonna do nothing. Let's put that in. Okay, and then you need 1.5 cups of the mini marshmallows. I just bought the store brand, but you can get whatever brand you like. And then you need 1 cup of chopped pecans. Now this is something I like to add to it. You can stop right there. But I love to put the sweetened coconut flakes, about 1/2 cup, because I love coconuts. I think pineapple and coconut go well together, and I think it really sets this off. If I can get the bag open, there we go. I'm just gonna measure out maybe 1/2 cup of coconut, and you can do more if you like it, more. It's about 1/2. All right, I'll put that in. Now we're just gonna stir this up. I think I'm gonna use my larger spoon over here. I had gotten a larger spoon out because I thought I might need it. And my hands are clean. I washed them before we got started, so nobody panic. And I don't know where I need to Google and find out where this originated from. I got this on the internet, of course, this recipe, but I don't know. It's called Watergate Salad. I don't really know how it got its name, so. But this is so yummy, and it's easy. This is such an easy dessert or side to take, and it's nice. It tastes good, it's refreshing, and it's pretty. Stir it up really good. I'm gonna take this to my dad's for Thanksgiving. I got several other things. I always take dirt cake, I always take potato salad, and I always take deviled eggs. And those are the 3 things I always take, but I wanted to share this video, so I thought I'll actually take that to Dad's, because it'll be a good little dessert that we can have. Let's see where that's taking us now. Like I said, stir it up really well. Get it all mixed together really well. And you're supposed to refrigerate this for about 1.5 hours before you serve it, but we'll test it together here in just a second. All right. Okay. I'm telling y'all, it's that quick. There you are, Watergate salad. Now let me get a spoon, and I'm gonna taste of it and see how she's working. I have to get a pecan in there because those are my favorite. Here we go. Just like I remember. It's so good, guys. So I'm gonna put this in a bowl with a lid, and I'm gonna put that in the refrigerator for at least 1.5 hours. Of course, I'm doing this a couple of days ahead of time because Thanksgiving's not for a couple more days. This will keep a week in the refrigerator. So I'm gonna cover it up, and I'm gonna take it to Dad's Thanksgiving. This is a quick and easy thing. If you're just beginning to learn to cook and do things and you're nervous about things turning out, like try some things like this where you can mix it all up and it can be refreshing, and it will build your confidence to be able to do other things, harder things, more complicated things. And it's a good way to start. So there you have it. Start to finish, Watergate salad. Guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Meals with Marcia. And don't forget that everything you need and how to make this is going to be in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.